Today we're going to be unboxing a pair of RGB strips for the TV. This is a smart TV backlight RGB. Has a built-in app, remote, and it's USB powered. This is for 40 to 60 inch TVs. This is right here. Estimated cost per year is about 31 cents, which is very, very cost effective. So it's really not going to hurt your pocket because it's LEDs, which is really cool. So this is what it comes with. Some basic instructions. You have a remote, which is, I believe, 24 keys. Yeah, 24 key remote. Right here we have the RGB strip itself, and then we have the power cable, which is very tiny, which is cool. Let's get into this. Alright, so right here we have some mounting clips, which is really nice because the built-in adhesive isn't always good on RGB strips, and everyone knows that, hopefully. So it just shows you how to apply them. And then right here is where the RGB strip is. So it's taped in right there so it doesn't move. But here it is. You just plug in the AC adapter right here, and then plug in the USB to the back of your TV. And I'm going to use it on this. And there it is, as you can see. So you can go and change the color via the IR sensor, which is usually right here. Oh, we gotta take out this paper. So it's on the strips themselves, I think. Yeah, I think it's on the strips themselves. Yep, the IR receiver is built into the strips themselves, which is really cool. So you have brightness up, down, and then you have red, green, blue, and the different colors. You also have a built-in app, which you can do 16.4 different million different color combinations, which is pretty cool. And I like that it comes with the 3M adhesive on the adapter itself, which is cool. So you're definitely going to be able to use this really well. And it has about like 5 stars on Amazon. So I'll leave a link in the description for this as well.